Welcome to this complete Gothenburg, Sweden travel guide. Nestled on Sweden's west coast, Gothenburg is a vibrant city that beautifully combines modern charm with classic elegance. From the thrilling rides of Liseberg amusement park to the serene beauty of Gothenburg Botanical Garden, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a science enthusiast, an art lover, a foodie or an adventure seeker, this city has got you covered. So, ready to explore the charm of Gothenburg? Let's dive right in. Our first stop, Liseberg Amusement Park, is a thrill-seeker's paradise. Nestled in the heart of Gothenburg, this park is brimming with adrenaline-pumping roller coasters that twist and turn at breathtaking speeds. But don't let that scare you off. If you're not much for high-speed thrills, the park offers plenty more. There's a tranquil garden, a stunning oasis where you can take a leisurely stroll among beautifully manicured greenery. And let's not forget the games. There's something for everyone, from classic carnival games to cutting-edge virtual reality experiences. As the day winds down, don't miss the opportunity to sample some delectable Swedish treats from the park's food stalls. Try a lussekatt, a traditional saffron bun, or perhaps a kanelbulle, a Swedish cinnamon roll. Delicious. So gear up for a day of fun, excitement, and maybe a little bit of vertigo. Whether you're young or young at heart, Liseberg is a must-visit. Next, step into the fascinating world of science at the Universum Science Centre. This is no ordinary museum, but a vibrant testament to the wonders that science and nature have to offer. Here, you can immerse yourself in interactive exhibits that bring complex scientific concepts to life. You'll find yourself captivated as you explore the mysteries of the cosmos, the intricacies of biology, or the marvels of technology. But the Universum isn't just about physics and chemistry. Prepare to dive beneath the surface as you explore the centre's impressive aquarium. From the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious depths of the ocean, you'll come face to face with an array of incredible marine life. And if you're up for an adventure, don't miss the rainforest zone. This lush tropical paradise is teeming with exotic plants and animals, offering a slice of the wild right in the heart of Gothenburg. For those with a curious mind, Universum is a place of endless discovery. Now, let's set sail on a Gothenburg Archipelago boat tour. This is not just a boat ride, it's a journey into the heart of the Swedish coast, where the North Sea meets the crisp Scandinavian air. As we glide across the calm waters, the archipelago unveils itself in a panorama of stunning views. Picture a landscape dotted with over 20 islands, each one with its own unique charm. Keep your eyes peeled for the local wildlife that call these islands home. Seals bask on the rocks, while a variety of bird species swoop and dive, their calls echoing across the water. The tranquility of the boat tour offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's just you, the gentle lapping of the waves, and the occasional cry of a gull overhead. As we return to port, you're left with a profound sense of peace and an appreciation for the natural beauty of Sweden. A boat tour is the perfect way to appreciate the beauty of the archipelago. Back on land, let's explore the historic Haga district. This charming neighborhood is a delightful fusion of past and present, where cobblestone streets echo stories of yesteryears. The district is dotted with traditional cafes, each one a cozy haven of warmth and hospitality. Here you can indulge in the classic fika or Swedish coffee break, perhaps with a side of the district's famous gigantic cinnamon rolls. The timeless architecture of Haga, comprising wooden houses from the 19th century, is a visual treat. A stroll through the district feels like stepping back in time, with modern boutiques and cafes housed in structures that whisper tales of the past. Just a stone's throw away from the quaint, winding lanes of Haga lies the Gothenburg Museum of Art. This cultural powerhouse is a beacon of creativity, housing an impressive collection of Nordic art from the late 19th century onwards. With a heavy focus on contemporary art, the museum offers a deep dive into the minds of some of the most talented artists of the region. The museum's collection is vast and varied, with works that evoke a myriad of emotions. From the somber and introspective to the vibrant and provocative, the Gothenburg Museum of Art is a testament to the human spirit's boundless creativity. From history to art, this part of Gothenburg has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a coffee lover, or an art enthusiast, the Haga district and the Gothenburg Museum of Art promise an enriching and unforgettable experience. Now let's immerse ourselves in the natural beauty of Gothenburg. As we venture into the Gothenburg Botanical Garden, we are greeted by a world of diverse plant species. Boasting 16,000 species spread over 175 hectares, this garden is one of the largest in Europe. From the rare and exotic in the greenhouses to the serene beauty of the rock garden, each corner unfolds a new chapter in the botanical world. And oh, the Japanese glade, an epitome of tranquility. With its cherry blossoms and tranquil ponds, it's a place where one can't help but feel a sense of peace. And if you are a fan of rhododendrons, then you are in for a treat, as the garden holds an impressive collection of these vibrant beauties. Next we head over to Slottsskogen Park. It's not just a park, but a green oasis in the heart of the city. It invites one and all to take a hike or a bike ride along its trails. The park is a true reflection of Gothenburg's commitment to eco-friendliness and active living. Amidst the lush greenery, you might even spot some native wildlife like the majestic elk or playful sea lions. So whether you're a botany enthusiast or someone who just loves a good hike or bike ride, these green spaces in Gothenburg have something for everyone. Gothenburg's green spaces are a nature lover's dream. Next, we delve into Gothenburg's maritime history. Immerse yourself in the chronicles of the sea at the Gothenburg Maritime Museum. Here, the city's naval past comes to life, with exhibits ranging from ancient Viking vessels to intricate models of modern-day freighters. It's not just about boats, though. The museum also showcases an array of marine artifacts, from antique navigation instruments to sailors' uniforms, offering a comprehensive insight into the maritime life that has shaped the city. As we leave the museum, we find ourselves drawn towards the unmistakable scent of the sea, fresh fish, and the bustling sounds of trade. We've arrived at the Fiskekårka fish market. This isn't your usual market, mind you. Housed in a building that looks more like a Gothic church than a marketplace, Fiskekårka, or Fish Church in English, has been a seafood lover's paradise since the late 19th century. Inside, an array of stalls offer a smorgasbord of the freshest catch. From herring to salmon, lobsters to oysters, it's a showcase of the North Sea's bounty. And for those who'd rather not cook, several eateries serve up traditional Swedish seafood dishes, allowing you to sample the day's catch, prepared by expert hands. For a seafaring city like Gothenburg, these sites offer a taste of its rich maritime culture. Finally, we round off our tour with a relaxing canal cruise. Gothenburg's waterways, a network of canals and rivers, provide an enchanting perspective of the city. As we gently glide along, we're treated to a panorama of historic and modern Gothenburg. On one side, we see the iconic red brick architecture of the Fiskekårka fish market, a true testament to the city's maritime heritage. On the other, the modern glass and steel structures of Universum Science Centre, a beacon of innovation and progress. We pass under the charmingly ornate bridges, each with its own tale to tell. The famous Trädgårdsföreningen, the Garden Society Bridge, is a sight to behold with its intricate ironwork and lush green surroundings. As we meander through the heart of the city, we get a glimpse of the vibrant Haga district with its cobblestone streets and quaint cafes. It's a delightful mix of the old and the new, the urban and the natural. A canal cruise is the perfect way to wrap up your Gothenburg adventure. Finally, let's end our day with a visit to the Gothenburg Opera House. As we approach the building, we're immediately struck by its stunning architecture. With its sleek lines and modern design, the Opera House is a visual masterpiece. It stands as a beacon on the harbour, its reflective glass facade mirroring the tranquil waters and the city's skyline. As we step inside, we're greeted by the grandeur of the auditorium, with its plush seating and intricate detailing. Here we have the chance to enjoy a world-class opera or ballet performance. The Opera House is home to some of the finest performers in the world, and the performances are nothing short of magical. The music, the costumes, the stage design, everything comes together to create an unforgettable experience. But the Opera House is more than just a venue for performances. It's a hub for the vibrant cultural scene of Gothenburg, hosting a variety of events and festivals throughout the year. The Gothenburg Opera House is a testament to the city's love for the arts. As we leave the building, we're filled with a sense of awe and inspiration. Whether you're an opera aficionado or simply a lover of beautiful architecture, the Gothenburg Opera House is a must-visit. And that was our whirlwind tour of Gothenburg. We've laughed on the thrilling rides at Liseberg amusement park and marvelled at the Universum Science Centre's wonders. We've sailed through the picturesque Gothenburg Archipelago and strolled down the charming streets of the Haga district. We've admired the masterpieces at the Gothenburg Museum of Art and soaked in the tranquility of the Gothenburg Botanical Garden. We've explored the lush Slottskogen Park on foot and by bike and delved into the city's nautical history at the Gothenburg Maritime Museum. We've tasted the freshest catch at the Fiskekårka fish market and rounded off the journey with a serene canal cruise. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Gothenburg is a city that needs to be experienced firsthand, a city that promises a myriad of adventures waiting to be discovered by you. From thrilling amusements to peaceful green spaces, Gothenburg awaits. So, when are you planning your visit? Before we wrap up our virtual journey, we'd like to share a few final thoughts and tips to help you plan your own adventure in Gothenburg. Firstly, although we've highlighted some of the city's top attractions, there's so much more to explore in Gothenburg. Don't rush your visit. Take your time to soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere, its friendly people, and its unique blend of old-world charm and modern innovation. When it comes to food, Gothenburg is a foodie's paradise. Aside from the Fiskekårka fish market, there are countless cafes, restaurants and food trucks offering everything from traditional Swedish fare to international cuisine, so make sure to indulge in the local gastronomy. And lastly, Gothenburg is a city that embraces sustainability and green living, so consider renting a bike or walking to explore the city. Not only is it a great way to stay fit, but it's also a fantastic opportunity to discover hidden gems that you might miss otherwise. Remember, the best way to experience Gothenburg is to immerse yourself in its culture, its history, and its people. So let your curiosity guide you, and who knows, you might just find your own favorite spot in this beautiful city. We hope this video has inspired you to consider Gothenburg for your next adventure. With its bustling city life, rich cultural heritage and breathtaking natural beauty, Gothenburg is truly a destination that has something for everyone. So pack your bags and start planning. Gothenburg awaits you.